In today's video, I'm gonna help you to delete TikTok video. It's actually very easy. Now, before moving on, make sure you have subscribed our channel and turn on the notification in order to be notified for any of our new upcoming videos. Now let's get straight into it. Open your TikTok app. Now from the home screen of the TikTok, tap on profile on the bottom right. Now in your profile section, you can see the videos you have posted. Now tap on the video that you want to delete. After that, tap on three dots on the right side of your screen. Scroll to the bottom and here you can see delete option. Tap on it and it will ask you for the last time if you want to delete your video. And here you can see your video has been deleted. And that's how easily and quickly you can delete your TikTok video. I hope you enjoy and was helpful. If it was, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. That's gonna be all for today. I will see you in the next one.